Welcome to Winscombe Station. There's not going to be a train for a while because it's closed. This railway line opened in 1869 and closed in 1965. It's now part of the National Cycle Network, Route 26. It was constructed to take away passengers and freight from Cheddar. It was also used to transport strawberries. That's how the strawberry line got its name. As the weather's really nice, I thought I'd celebrate. Hello, bird. Take two. As the weather's really nice today, I thought I'd celebrate summer with some strawberries and some cream. And I've even bought some custard. As we're on the strawberry line, I thought strawberries and cream will do. Cheers. It's beautiful and peaceful here. If you're ever in the local area, I would highly recommend taking a trip on Route 26, the Strawberry Line. I better start packing this up. Oh. I forgot to mention, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.